Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today we are going to be creating this nice sultry red pop. I thought I'd do something a little different. I know I do a lot of jewel tone colors, so I was like, I got new product in, I want to kind of play around with some new stuff, and I kind of just wanted to just kick back and do a quick little look for you guys. So if you are my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out your girl. And if you're new, thank you so much for coming by and checking me out. I do appreciate you checking out your girl. I just wanted to get into it. I actually filmed a look last night using this palette and I hated it, but I don't know if I'm gonna post how I created the look because I didn't like it whatsoever my damn self. So all that I'm talking about is this baby right here. I'm gonna stop staring at myself like I'm freaking, you know, I'm so conceited. Well, aren't we all? I don't know. So anyway guys, let's just go ahead and get into this jam. Like I said, half the face is done and we need to complete the other side. Just wait till you see this highlight because this highlight is insane. But back to the eye, we're going to go ahead now and use my NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit. I'm just going to place some concealer on my eye and then we're going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. Now here comes for the palette in question. We are going to go in with the Perception palette and we are going to keep this soft and really glam. So the first shadow we are going to head into is Culture, and we're going to place Culture directly on the crease and then blend that out with a big fluffy brush. Once Culture has pretty much set the concealer, we're going to go in now with Revenge, and we're going to use now a small diffuser brush and we're going to place that directly on the crease just to create that build of a red tone to the eye crease, pretty much creating a depth into the crease with the red color. Now going in with the color Played Out, we're going to place it on the outer corner of my eye and then we're going to blend that inwards. We are playing with the colors to kind of build that color range that I want. And then once the whole colors have been blended together, we are now going to finalize with the eyes with placing some mascara. And the mascara we are using is from Smashbox. This is their sample mascara and this is called their Super Fan. Next, to go ahead and align my waterline, we are going to be using the Black Radiance Black Eyeliner Pencil. And for lashes today, we are using the Eylure Lashes. I honestly don't know the name of these. I'm sorry. And while the glue is drying, we're now going to go into the highlight. We are using also the Shayla and Colourpop collab, and this is in the shade Poise. And we're going to be taking my Sigma Spotlight Duster brush and we're going to place it on my highlighting points. Now to blend the highlight and contour together, we're using the blush, and the blush I'm using is from my Ipsy June bag. This is from OFRA Cosmetics and this is in the shade Melon. We're going to go back in and just remove all the remaining excess powder and then apply the Poise on my highlighting points and also on my lip. We're going to go in now with the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Black Liquid Eyeliner. And now to create a more smoky effect, we're going to go back in with Revenge and also with Played Out. We're going to place Revenge first on the waterline, blending that out with a small shader brush. And then we're going to go in with the Played Out and just create that smokiness. In the end, I did want to add a little bit more black, and to stay within the Colourpop fam, we're going to be using Colourpop Single Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Let's Just Do It. We are now going to move on to the lips. The lips is, I wanted something really bold, and you guys know I really don't touch red too much, so I thought why not go in with red. So we're using the red lip liner. This is from NYX Cosmetics, and set that we're going to use the I Love Sorry Colourpop collab, and this is their ultra matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Arriba. I really like Arriba. I use Arriba a lot. You wouldn't think it would work for our skin tone, but it actually works really well. And now to give the bottom lip a little bit more definition and kind of create an ombre effect, we're going to go in with that same collection of lipsticks, but this is in the shade Mamacita. It's a more berrier red than the Arriba, which is a more red. And so we're going to blend those together. And that is literally the whole entire look, you guys. And now let's go into the final video where I'm going to talk a little bit more about the product. And yeah, let's just go back into it. I really love this palette. It's a very shimmery, but yet you do get a few matte shades. And what I love about the palette is I love the packaging. I love the color choices she chose for this. I love myself some makeup Shayla. I've been a fan of hers for the past couple years. Big ups to you, girl. I'm really proud of you. This collection is delicious. I mean, sorry. Ugh. I only purchased the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter toys. I really do love it though. It's a really great palette. I can't complain too much about it. Another few items that I did purchase at Colourpop was I needed another concealer, and I actually don't know why I did that, but I got a white one just to see how it is. I don't know why I got it, but I got two actually. They sent me an extra one, so I got that. And then I also got a new lip gloss from Colourpop, and this lip gloss is their glossy lip, and this is in the shade Few. I like the lip gloss. This is the end of the video. I hope you do like this look. It's very different, and I hope it was really quick. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb. And I just appreciate your love and support, guys. I will check you out the next one. Peace!